Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am super excited about today's video because I'm going to be sharing an awesome WordPress plugin called Etsy 360 that allows you to seamlessly integrate your Etsy shop to your actual website. Now, there's several advantages to you using your own website, including blogging, organic reach, branding, growing your email list, and much more. So I will leave the affiliate link in the comment section below. So if you're interested in signing up for the WordPress plugin, and make sure you watch all the way to the end because I'm going to show you a live demo of an Etsy shop that actually has their products in their actual website. So you want to make sure that you learn more about this product. If this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel, consider subscribing today. I do upload weekly videos to help you build an impactful online business. So let's go ahead and head over to my computer so we could take a closer look at Etsy 360. So here we are at the site, and it is so cool to be able to showcase your Etsy inventory on your actual WordPress site instead of having to keep your Etsy store and your personal blog or site separate. Etsy 360 actually allows you to combine them seamlessly for a low monthly or annual subscription price. And we'll talk about that in a few minutes. One of the main benefits that I want to talk about using this actual plugin is that when you start driving traffic back to your listings, if you use, whether you're using organic or you're paying for traffic, normally when you send people to your listing, let's say I drive traffic to my Etsy shop critique. When I drive traffic to this listing, if the customer lands on this listing and they decide not to read the listing description, which is right here, but they keep going down, right? What happens next? Now Etsy starts showing my listing that I drove traffic to or that I paid money to drive traffic to this listing here. Etsy is showcasing other people's products down here. They're showcasing my competitors and that they sell similar products or different products, but they're still showing their products down here. That's taken away from my business. The nice thing about using the actual plugin is that when people land on your listing, whether they found you through social media or you did a Facebook ad or an Instagram ad, it takes them directly to the listing, and you don't have to worry about competing with other people. You don't have to worry about having other Etsy listings on the bottom that will make somebody, drive traffic to other people's stores when initially you drove the traffic to your actual store. And the cool thing about it is they'll be able to come in here. They could click on details to look at that particular listing, which is a lot easier to find than when you go to Etsy, right? On Etsy's right here, learn more about this item. A lot of people miss this. They don't know if they click here, this is the details, right? They go here, they read this a little bit, and then they keep going down. With the actual plugin, it's very simple for them to see, okay, if I click here, I'm going to be able to see the details of that particular product or service that they're interested in buying. And it opens up the page. It has all the pictures here. It looks it's very similar to Etsy's platform. It has the title. It has your shop sections here. It has the materials that you added. It has your item description and your shipping and policy. And to be quite honest, the shipping policy is right next to the listing description, which makes it very simple versus on Etsy, it's not right next to it, right? They have to find it. It's all the way in the bottom, or they have to go in your shop about me section if you put information in there as well. So it does make it a little bit easier for customers to have a better browsing experience, in other words. Now, another cool thing about it is that once a person is ready to buy, let's say this person wants to go ahead and buy this from you, they would just click on add to cart and they press OK. Oh, I'm sorry. You have to select, obviously, which one you want. Let's say I want to buy that one. I go ahead and click on add to cart. And from there, it's going to show them a little shopping cart up here. When they're ready to buy and they're ready to go ahead and buy from you, they click here and it actually takes them to Etsy. So the transaction is handled on Etsy. So they still have, if they don't know who you are and they're scared of buying from you, there's no need to be, because the fact that it takes them back to Etsy and it says here checkout on Etsy, that gives them credibility that this is a legit store that's run on Etsy, that, there's not going to be anybody stealing information and anything. You don't have to worry about that. Some people do worry about that when they're shopping online. And they just click on checkout and it takes them to the Etsy checkout. I thought that was really, really cool, because now they're ready to make a decision to buy this, and you don't have to worry about them being influenced when they're shopping on your actual store at looking at your competitor's listing. So this is really, really cool. I think that's one of the, not the only main benefit, but that's one of the main benefits. Other benefits include having your own website looks more professional. Having an email list. You could have little pop-ups that come up when they're shopping asking them, would you like to join my email list? That's something that you currently can't do on Etsy. So there's so many advantages of using Etsy 360 as a plugin. And the pricing is very, very relatively low, to be quite honest. I think it's a great price. They offer two types of pricing. You could do the annual subscription, which is $99 if you pay it upfront. It comes around $8.25 a month. And you could do the monthly subscription of $12.50 per month. And you could cancel either one, whether you do yearly or you do monthly, you could cancel at any given moment. Now, one thing was, I was talking to the team at Etsy 360, and they offer well-documented support. So if you ever run into any issues adding the plugin, you could create a support ticket, and the team of Etsy 360 usually responds within a day and most times within hours, which is really amazing. They have amazing customer service. I've been talking to them back and forth about their plugin, and they just been remarkable in answering all my questions. And the best part is the installation only takes 10 minutes to set up. So you don't need to be tech savvy. You don't have to worry about this is going to be too complicated, trying to transfer all of my 3,000 listings or all of my 20 listings, depending on how many you have, to my own shop. No, you just a 10-minute setup and the plugin does everything for you. So keep in mind, you don't need to be tech savvy at all to use this amazing product. I highly recommend checking it out, at least trying it out for a month, just to see how you like it. I honestly think that if you end up doing it, keep it for a long time, because you have to build up your blog, you have to build up your email list and create other things in your blog to make a huge brand and grow as a brand. But it is absolutely remarkable. I thought it was a great plugin, and I had to do a video about it because there's not that many plugins nowadays for Etsy, right? So when I do find one that's really great, I have to make sure that I promote it and tell you guys about it. So let me know in the comment section below if you have any questions about the plugin that I could potentially answer. And if you're interested in signing up, make sure that you use my affiliate link. I will leave it below the video as well in the comment section. And if you can't find it, just email me and I will email it to you as well, just in case. Thank you guys for watching and have a terrific day.